Hello, this is my first actual soldering project. It's a oscillating circuit, and it's got a couple resistors and capacitors and transistors and stuff that make it into a multi-vibrator circuit. And here, let's see what it does. So everything went pretty well, other than the fact that my heat was a little high on this adjustable heat soldering gun station here, and I ended up having to patch in some wires to jump over some of these burnt pads. Actually burnt the copper pads off the foils, so didn't know why it wasn't working. So I improvised and used a couple spare pieces of wire and soldered them on and rerouted everything, and it ended up working. So, alright, until next time.